in the surah? ñaata yoon taala ñett 3 times taala dafa mel ni reer bi jàppagul la yaa ngi xoolee ba léegi 3 times. And how many letters do we have in every Laylatul Qadr? How many letters? Laylatul Qadr ñaata lettre la yaa ngi compter Pape Salim. Laylatul Qadr, how many letters we have? 9. 9 times 3? 27. 9. So that's why some of the scholars say it's the night of 27. And if you were to see, Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala has used a dhamir, a pronoun, indicating the night in the surah. When He says, Inna anzalnahu fi laylatil qadr. وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا لَيْلَةُ الْقَدْرِ لَيْلَةُ الْقَدْرِ خَيْرٌ مِّنْ أَلْفِ شَهْرٍ تَنَزَّلُ الْمَلَائِكَةُ وَالرُّوحُ فِيهَا بِإِذْنِ رَبِّهِمْ مِنْ كُلِّ أَمْرٍ سَلَامٌ here. If you were to count from the beginning to here, you will have 27 words. Here is the 27th word. So they say, and the here means here the night. Salamun here. Hatta matla'il fajr. So because of that, some say that Laylatul Qadr is the night of 27. And there is a hadith of Ubay indicating that. But what we advise is to make sure you seek Laylatul Qadr during the entirety of the last 10 nights of Ramadan, as the Prophet ﷺ said. Some scholars, they went even to say that Laylatul Qadr can be found outside Ramadan. Yes. But if we read the Quran says, "Shahr Ramadan alladhi unzila fihi al-Quran." The Quran was sent down on Ramadan. And later, so if Quran was sent down on Ramadan, and Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala said that He sent down the Quran during the night of Laylatul Qadr, that means what? That the night of Laylatul Qadr is in Ramadan. And Surah Al-Bayna, one of the things I'm going to mention about Surah Al-Bayna is that there is a Sahabi whom the Prophet ﷺ said, to whom the Prophet ﷺ told that he was ordered by Allah to recite this surah. Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala told the Prophet ﷺ to teach or to recite this surah to one of the companions of the Prophet ﷺ. Who knows that companion? I just mentioned his name earlier. When I talk about Laylatul Qadr, I mentioned the name of a companion. And that is the companion whom Allah told the Prophet ﷺ to read Surah Al-Bayna to. Ubay, mashallah. Ubay. There is a qasida I wrote in which I said, وَقُلْ لِرَسُولِ اللَّهِ يَقْرَأُ سُورَةً عَلَيَّ مِنَ الْقُرْآنِ مِثْلَ أُبَيِّ. Oh Allah, please tell Rasulullah to read to me a surah like you told him to do. Read to Ubay alayhi salam. وَقُلْ لِرَسُولِ اللَّهِ يَقْرَأُ سُورَةً عَلَيَّ مِنَ الْقُرْآنِ مِثْلَ أُبَيِّ بِأَحْسَنِ أَسْمَاكَ الْعَوَامِ بِذَاتِهَا وَبِالرُّسْلِ بِالْأَمْلَاكِ بِاسْمِ النَّبِيِّ بِأَجْمَلِ أسماء البرايا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وأفضلهم طرا سليل قصي بأحسنهم خلقا وأصلا وخلقة وأجودهم يمنا حبيب الغني بجلستنا هذه بنيويورك سيدي فدارك داركا بالصفي عليه صلاة الله ثم سلامه وآل وأصحابه وكل تقي. After Ibrahim, we have Abdullah. Where is Abdullah? Come here. Brother Abdullah. Abdullah, I think you have Surah Al-Tariq. Is the only surah you're going to recite? You sure? And yeah. Which one I take? The or the yeah? Okay. So Bismillah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والسماء والطارق وما أدراك ما الطارق النجم الثاقب إن كل نفس لما عليها حافظ فلينظر الإنسان مما خلق من ماء دافق يخرج من بين صلب والترائب إنه على رجعه لقادر يوم تبلى السرائر فما له من قوة ولا ناصر والسماء ذات الرجع والأرض ذات السد إنه لقول فصل وما هو بالحزر إنهم يكيدون كيدا وأكيد كيدا فمهل الكافرين أمهلهم رويدا.
ما شاء الله ما شاء الله. Takbir. Takbir. So it looks like it's Ben who told you to recite that, but you intended to recite something else. You got what?
I got 6, so I couldn't say Abasa, so I said
Okay. MashaAllah. Jazakallah khairan. But there's no little surah. There is maybe shorter surah. Sometimes people say the small surah. There's no small surah in the Quran. There's no surah saghira. There are surah qasira. Because Quran, all its surahs are big. Because it's the word of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In Surah Al-Tariq talks about the maqasid al-Islam al-azimah, such as Iman in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Iman in the life after death, Iman in the Al-Quran al-Kareem, Iman in the angels, and you can see that in the 6 articles of Iman. When the Prophet ﷺ was asked by Sayyidina Jibreel alayhi salam about Iman, he said, "An tu'mina billahi." Iman is that you believe in Allah, wa malaikatihi, His angels, wa kutubihi, His books, wa rusulihi, His messengers, wal yawmil akhir, and the last day, wal qadari, and the destiny of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That there is nothing that is happening or that is going to happen except that it is known by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and without the will and the power of Allah, it's not going to happen. Subhanahu subhanahu. That's why the Prophet said, "Wal qadri khayrihi wa sharrihi." Whether the qadr is something you like or you dislike, know that it is from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Liman jazmun billahi wal kutub wal rusli wal amlaki ma'a ba'thin qarub wa qadarin kadha siratun mizan hawdun nabi jannatun wa niran.